I've been having some trouble with the dogs when you're driving along, and they tend to want to be with me all the time. So, yeah, I could be sitting there driving, and they'll be wanting to jump on my lap. So, what I've done is I made like a gate for them, a dog gate. You know, I've already made one over here for the dogs to jump out the back as you open the door. But I've made this, which I had very limited space at the back there for it to work, so I created this little slide out unit. Like so, and basically what it is you've got, I know this, 1, 2, 3, there's 4 sets of drawer runners, and the idea being is that it allowed me to half the distance, because the distance I had to get between these 2 chairs was, well, it was oversized, so I couldn't get enough width of gating. So, yeah, it seems to work quite nicely, really, and I just attach back in there, and there's a stop on it as well. And there's a little wheel at the bottom to stop it from sagging. So there's a little guide wheel, a bit like an inline skate wheel. So there you go. So there you have it. Yep, so that's that. And there's that. Give you an idea. You can see it's quite neat.